$20 million it would take to relocate them to a safe location.
And new tonight, STEM NOLA is expanding and partnering with InspireNOLA charter schools. Of course, being in the Big Easy, the news merited a celebration. Students were ushered in a new era of learning through science, technology, engineering, and math. Over 4,700 students will now have access to hands-on training in chemistry, robotics, and architecture. InspireNOLA has been working with STEM NOLA for years, but through this partnership now, every student in each school will have a chance to explore and learn about the different STEM fields. School leaders say that these programs are especially important to the future of New Orleans.
And we want to expose our students as much as possible to all different aspects of STEM to make sure they're prepared to be the next creators, innovators, and entrepreneurs in our city.
And in addition to classroom learning, students can also participate in after-school and weekend activities with STEM NOLA.
All right, an update tonight, reunited, and it feels so good. We first told you about this story yesterday.